In front of me I have the Huawei Watch GT Runner, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the spec list. So anyway, I'll just pop it open. Okay, so there we go. That's basically all we have in our box with the device. And here we have a nice actual design of the device. It is fairly light, I think majority of the Huawei watches. I wouldn't say it has a nice haptic feedback to it. It just has a vibration motor. We have a rotating crown, which I always like to see. Device works really snappily, as you can see. There is right now at least no lag. So let's find our English. There we go. I'm pretty sure I need to connect to a device before I can actually use this watch, so that's a little bit of a shame, which yeah, I'm not gonna really go over right now. Actually, no, you know what, I will. I have a Huawei, so I can do it easily. What do I need to open though? Let's see, what kind of app? Is it using Huawei Health or something? How do I go back? Download Huawei, yep, so I need to use Huawei Health. Then in here we're gonna go into devices, I assume. Gonna add a device. Watch GT Runner, let's select link. I guess allow. Again, there we go. So we do have actually a fairly large display right here. It is, I think, one of the bigger ones, especially considering like it's going almost edge to edge. So that is nice. Now I would really like to not update the device, so there we go. So we do have a really nicely running watch. It's not lagging or anything, so that's really nice, especially when you're trying to like navigate through it. It always adds to a user experience when everything is running smoothly. But this display right here actually seems to be on a smaller side. At least on the paper, it's 1.43 inches with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. Amoled display, running Harmony OS 2.0, and it has a couple notable features like water resistance up to 5 atmospheres, which is roughly about 50 meters. And what else is there? Battery of 455 milliamps and a price tag of about 300 euros. So it is a little bit more on an expensive side on a device, but honestly, considering how well it runs and the features right here, the display and design, I think it might be actually worth it. Now obviously you will need to download the Huawei Health application for it, and it does run on Harmony OS, so it means that It's not connecting to Google services in any kind of way for any kind of tracking. If you're using already some kind of Android or Wear OS watch and you have been tracking your progress and everything on that, obviously it also tracks on the Google version of Wear OS application. So you will lose all of that, and I guess you will be starting over with all your progress and everything that you have achieved in an app. But still, 300 euros for a really well working watch. Recently, I actually, will be honest, I was kind of confused. Apparently Huawei watches are really popular, and the only thing that I think I had interacted before is things like the Huawei Watch Fit, which is I guess similar to what Xiaomi has with their smartband. And I think they're like first Watch GT, which came with like the Huawei I think it was P30. So it was like one of their first watches. So this honestly is a massive jump in performance, how it runs, and the features that it has. And honestly, it seems like a solid choice. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.